1 inhale, 1 exhale. Adhara chakra. So see that you're dancing in the sitting position. Yes. Exhale, 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 exhale. 8, 8. Namaskara and fold forward. Namaskara and fold forward. Holding here, go down. You can also do this cactus hand and placing your palms. The chin is resting on the palm. Yes, do this. So forward fold and extension. Breathing in, breathe out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and come up. Breathing out. Changing the side, right palm to left knee, left hand up, higher to the ceiling. Extend the left hand up, extend, stretch up. Jnana mudra, dhyana mudra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Open. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come back, exhale, release. Similar movement with different variations. Open the right leg out. Open your right leg out. Keep the left knee away. Left hand forward to the right foot. Left hand forward to the right foot. So, open the hand behind, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 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 Catch it. Catch. If you are not able to catch with your hands, then you have a belt and catch. Breathe in and breathe out. If you're catching with the belt, then bend your elbow. One more important point about your spinal cord. When there is an emergency, where? For the body. There will be an emergency, right? For the body. Suppose you have the fire in front of you and you're getting burned. Then what happens? The body has the emergency to take the hands back. That time, the body does not send the message to the brain. The direct information or communication happens through the spinal cord. So spinal cord is your second brain. Brain is the message box where the exchange of information is happening. How it is? From the fire it will go to the brain. Brain will decide for the hands that take your hands back. But in case of emergency, suppose someone is hitting you, you have to safeguard yourself. It will not take the information to the brain, but it will take to the information to the spinal cord directly. That's why strengthening of the spinal cord is so important. And this is all about spinal cord twisting. Inhale. Now take the same hand forward, the right hand forward, and start your left hand rotation. Left hand rotation. 1 inhale. This is a different variation of movement of your shoulder blade along with the spinal cord. 3, 4, 5, changing the rotation. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now from here, get back into twist. So your right palm to left knee and left hand behind. Point your right toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raise the right butt and turn completely back. Drop your both hands behind. Turn the buttock. Twist. Turning the foot. Engage the foot. Toes pointing downward. Start twisting. So the foot is also turning. And you can see that there is a lumbar twist. Ekam. Don't lift the foot. Do not lift your foot. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now from here, open your both the hands to the sideways. Use your tip of the fingers to further open. Look to the other side. Looking to your other side. Ekam, not towards the knee. Not towards the knee, but the other side. 3, 4, to the other side. Not towards the knee, but the other side. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Inhaling, come back. Exhale and release. Okay. Change the leg. This time your left leg is forward. Raise your both the hands up. Inhale. Exhale forward. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 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 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18. Stop there and hold for the twist. Twisting. Take your left hand out. Take the left hand out, outward, that side. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhaling, take the left hand forward. You can hold it here and start rotation. 1, a bigger rotation. Moving up, inhale. Moving down, exhale. 2 inhale, 2 exhale. 3 inhale, 3 exhale. 4 inhale, 4 exhale. 5 inhale, 5 exhale. Change the rotation. Ekam inhale, ekam exhale. Dve, dve, trini, trini, chatvari, chatvari, pancha, pancha. Now, open your hand. 1 and exhale. 2 for the twist. Behind. Left palm to the right knee. Left palm to the right knee. 2, 3. This time you do not, now at this moment, do not lift your buttock. Keep your foot out, not inside. Now to the next level of twist, you are raising the buttock to drop the elbow. Also work on your feet. The back of your foot, the back of the sole. The front of the foot towards the floor. 1 inhale, 1 exhale. 2 inhale, 2 exhale. 3 inhale, 3 exhale. 4 inhale, 4 exhale. 5 inhale, 5 exhale. On your palms, on the fingertips, open both the hands, further twisting. The right side, the head is turning to the right side. If you can keep your knee straight and intact, then do it. Hold. Last 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhaling, come back. Exhaling, release. See, the rhythm of the movement is starting with the neck, shoulders, and then we are going down. If you do not do the sequence in order, then there is a distractions. So charging your body, charging the heart, calf muscles, the leg, especially when you go for a walk or when you do the standing asanas, the calf muscles are working for the heart. So you need to work on the calf muscles, and that's why your Vajrasana is also good for digestion and the heart. So to take care of your heart, your legs has to move. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now from here, you have to shift sideways. 1, 2, 3. So you are working on your Mooladhara chakra. So see that you are dancing in the sitting position. Yes, you are moving. 1, 2, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if you have to move forward, then move. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, last 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8.